All right, guys, we're back here at that set where we caught that red fox this morning. I'm gonna go ahead and remake it. I have a couple sets here to remake, actually. I missed his girlfriend. I have a dirt hole over here. I missed his girlfriend over there. So now that we caught this fox here, this set cannot be any better. There is so much smell here. That's the stick I used as my scent post. So I'm just going to replenish my backing and all that. We'll fix that backing here once we're done. But you could see, I don't know if you guys could see the little crystals in there. That's rock salt. You know, that rock salt works like a champ. I bought a new sifter, I forgot it. My screen came out. So there's my scent post right there. All right, all I'm gonna do here is take my little trowel. Just soften that ground up. I'm gonna take that dirt. Make sure our trap's swiveling. We're swiveling good. And you can see, this is where I had them. There's no blood, but you know what? If you want to, just for shits and giggles here, take a piece of sod. Just wipe off the jaws, wipe off the pan, just wipe off anything that's on there. Okay? Now I'm going to set this trap. To set this trap, a lot of guys will stand on it, put it on the ground, open it up, put it in your hand, twist, fold your jaws over, push your dog down, pull your pan up. She's set. Now what I'm going to do is keep my finger under the pan, take some dirt, and rub down the insides of the jaws. So, grab our rock salt. But getting back to what I was saying, this set has so much fox smell here. Now that we caught one, any fox coming through this area will stop here and investigate. He's gonna try and pee on it, mark, you know, what he thinks is rightfully his territory. And, well, when he comes to do that, we should have another fox. So, I mean, you can see how much salt's in that set. Well, here we are. Take my trap now, put it in here, twist it into place, beat that chain down. I think that chain gets me in trouble a lot more than anything else. You can see that trap's good and solid. Gonna take our toilet paper, aka pan cover. I'm darn near out. Put it over the pan. Let's put a little dirt on there. Now we're gonna sift our dirt. Take our brush. Brush that around. Now what I like to do is take a little bit more salt, sprinkle it in there. Now the nice thing about this salt, when you get them big chunks like that, the moisture from the ground will disintegrate them. So you don't have to worry about that salt getting caught in your jaws or anything like that. I'm telling you, if you were sitting here, if you've never caught a fox, after you catch a red, man, you can just smell them. I personally love the smell of them. I'm gonna take that, put that back here. I gotta run over here, guys. I'll be right back. I gotta get some dirt. Get some more dirt. I just run over to the woods, get dry dirt. And there's my pan. Now what I'm doing is moving that dirt away. Take one more layer of salt here. And just push this dirt right back over. Just like that. So then we have this extra dirt right here in the sifter. Take it, throw it over there. We don't need it, we don't want it. So now we know that trap pan's right here. All that I used as a backing before was a weed. There was a big weed here, and I kind of built off of that. Well, now that fox tore up this weed. Give it one of those deals right there, just like that. Then, I mean, you walk around these fields, you can see the little tufts of grass. That's all that resembles. It looks like a fox came in here and peed on it. So we know right now in late January, you know, they're definitely traveling in pairs. It's mating season, so I'll turn this around and show you that I missed one in this dirt hole set right here. So right now, I don't need it, but I'm gonna use it. Fox urine. Sprinkle it in there. And right here I had Carmen's magna gland. So what I do, come over the backing. Don't open that bottle over your set. You can see I just spilled a little bit, and that's why I go over the backing. And then just get back in there, put a little bit. I always put it on the top side of the post. So that way he's got to work a little bit more to get to it. Now, take my gloves. Going to take some grass. On the sides of the pan, I really don't care if I get big stuff. Or on the sides of the trap, rather. Throw a corn cob in there. Hey, that's our set. Can't even tell that anything was caught here. Our catch circle's actually kind of weak. I might have got this fox earlier than I expected. So that's a scent post, guys. That's how I do it. Hopefully we could get the female tonight.